In this video, we will talk about arrays. If we want to process a large number of variables, we need a way to collect their values in a data structure. For example, let's consider a scenario where we want to calculate the average temperature of 10 cities. In this case, we may need to create 10 variables to store the temperature of each city. Or there is a better way. We can use arrays. In this video, we will learn how to construct arrays, how to fill them with values, and how to access the stored values. An array is like a tray of containers of the same type. Array is a sequence of values of the same type. The values that are stored in an array are called its elements. The number of elements in an array is called its length. For example, to store the temperature of 10 cities, we need to construct an array of 10 floating point numbers. This is how we do this. This will create an array for 10 temperature values. Each temperature will be of type double and length of the array will be 10. Each element gets an index starting with 0. So the first element gets an index 0, second gets 1, and the last element gets length minus 1. The new operator allocates space for 10 double variables in memory. Array is an object that gets created in memory. In order to access the array later, we need to assign the array object to a reference variable. The type of the reference variable is the element type followed by square brackets. So, the type of reference variable for the temperature array is double. When an array is first created, all elements are initialized with the default values, that is, 0 for numbers, false for boolean, null for string. We need to assign value to each element. How do we assign values to elements? By accessing each element using its index and assigning a value of the correct type. There is another way to both create an array and assign values to its elements in the same statement, like this. This will allocate an array of 5 doubles and assign value to each element in the same order. To read the temperature at index 2, that is the third city, we simply say temperature ar 2. The statement will print the value at index 2, that is 35.6. Let's recap. In this video, we saw the use of arrays to collect variables of same type in an ordered data structure. Array is a sequence of values of the same type, also called elements of the array. The number of elements in an array is called its length. The elements get an index starting with 0 till length minus 1. An array can be created by using the new operator. The array object is then assigned to a reference variable. Each element of the array must be assigned a value. The index is used to read the value of an element.